All right, good morning, friends. We're going to talk about how to take a improper fraction and make it into a mixed number. And I know we've discussed this very shortly one day, so I want to review it, but we use division. So if your improper fraction is 7/3, what you'll do is you'll take 7, divide it by 3. 3 goes into 7 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6. I subtract and I'm left with my 1. So my answer would be 2, remainder 1. So 7/3 would equal to 2 wholes and then 1 out of the 3 to make the last whole. All right, we're going to try that again with another one. What if I give you 13/4? To make that improper fraction into a mixed number, I'm going to take 13. I'm going to divide it by 4. 4 goes into 13 3 times. 3 times 4 is 12. I have 1, which is my remainder. So 13/4 is equal to 3, and 1 of the fourths is left.